Hi everybody, Mitch Lepicello here with more ASD parenting topics and tips for you. So today's ASD parenting topic is going to be early signs of ASD. And even though ASD for a lot of people really isn't diagnosed in the early stages and diagnosed until adolescence and sometimes even young adulthood, many kids do have some beginnings of signs in the early stages of growth and development, perhaps pre-kindergarten, perhaps early elementary. So here are just some early signs and symptoms for those parents to just kind of watch for and perhaps to monitor, and then even perhaps to bring to your ASD specialist or pediatrician. So one of the first ASD early signs is the presence and absence of one of these developmental challenges. So let's look for the absence first of communication. So in general, a very common early sign is the absence of any communication towards the parent or other people. So the child might, for example, not point or not communicate or babble or talk in any way. They might not make much utterances at all, and if they do, it might be below their what perhaps is developmentally expected. So kids who are 2 years old are speaking, some words and phrases, obviously, and for those early signs, they may be very limited. Now, in general, developmental stages for kids pre-K are wide and vary immensely, and a lot of kids catch up and make a lot of ground developmentally. So we just want to be mindful of that as well. So again, the absence of, in general, kind of communication strategies. So that also might include, for example, social smiling. All right, let's include the presence of. So the presence of could be lining up objects or toys. It could be the fixation or immense interest in a particular object or toy. So these are all presence of. It could be the presence of rocking or spinning or any repetitive motor movement. And it could be the presence of sensitivities. Sensitivities to hugging, touching, and those kinds of things. So hopefully you have kind of a rough outline of the absence of and the presence of signs for your early child. Just kind of watch out for these ASD early signs and symptoms and things to report and note to the people that you're working with. All right, best of luck to you parents out there. And for more ASD topics and tips, watch for me, Mitch Lepicello, at asdparentingjourney.com. Thanks for watching.